This video is brought to you by Gunpla SA, South Africa's favorite place for Gunpla, related tools, supplies, resources, community and so much more. Check out gunplasa.com. Hey, how's it going guys? Yo, hey, wait, what happened to Paul? Come back, Paul! Yeah! So, very exciting day. We've got some cool announcements.
Yeah, we've got some cool stuff to tell you guys.
Yeah, we've got some new stuff coming in just in time for Comic-Con, and there's two things. First one, show us, Paul. Show us, what is it?
Sure, hold on.
Item number one.
Oh, t-shirt.
Oh, BuildForce t-shirts, look at that, how cool is that?
Extreme close up.
Yeah, so it's kind of like our Comic-Con uniform, if you put it that way.
That's right.
Yeah. Some of our guys got it, but anyway, we'll change into it now. But second item that we want to show for Comic-Con is stickers! Yeah, so we've got some stickers. So for anybody who comes to our Comic-Con stand, anybody who buys a kit will get
a sticker pack.
A sticker sheet. Yeah, each one of these is a sheet that you can take, even a QR code, you can take it off and stick it somewhere. Yeah, just easier, you know, for people that want to like access our site, instead of typing in the URL, just scan a QR code for shortcuts.
This is like 2022. We don't type in URL.
Yeah. So anyway, let's do a quick transition to get our shirts on. Yeah, 3, 2, 1, boom! Yo, hey! Oh, that's super quick. Look at that. That is so awesome, man. Oh, I love it. So yeah, we've got some of these shirts for our guys in the BuildForce. That's what we call our super awesome people in the community.
Those videos like to have show them all.
Yeah. So again, we just want to say super thank you to Pleekō
for the cool sticker packs.
Yeah, for the stickers, and for In.It apparel for the shirts.
So doing our sexy shirts. Thank you, In.It.
Thank you so much. That is so awesome. Yeah.
Just another sexy, awesome job by In.It. I dig it.
Yeah.
They're keeping us well clothed. Shirts are made in South Africa. They're cotton. I love that, supporting it local.
Yeah, totally. You know, that's the whole thing about us. So, you know, as a community of not just Gunpla, but we want to support other local businesses as well. So, thank you so much, Pleekō and In.It, again for these awesome merchandise.
And also, just a big shout out to the BuildForce for making it possible for us to wear the BuildForce. I mean, the BuildForce is not just Jeff and I; it's like all of us.
Yeah.
The fact that
we've got
all of us.
We've got a little build meet happening today. Hey guys, you're on camera.
Hope you signed your releases.
Yeah. Oh wait. Okay, to sign off, didn't you just want to throw shirts and like get them on?
Yeah. Okay. I'll throw shirts. Yeah, should we do first person shoot a shirt can?
Yeah. Reload. Boom. What is that? Cool. So thank you guys. Yeah, and there will be more guys with the BuildForce shirts. But yeah, we will see them at Comic-Con. Yeah. So, shall we do a sign-off? Yeah. Let's grab a kit. Let's grab this quick board. Okay. So yeah, thank you. Yo, this is way too big. What the hell? Oh, it's like, oh, what the hell did it say? It's creepy. I thought you were going to do voiceover there.
I don't have to.
Yeah, you can smash into it then.
I will just hide.
Okay, so yeah, thank you guys for everybody that came to the build meet. Yeah, thank you. Where's Paul? Paul, where are you in the shot? Okay. This one's like super random vlog.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah, thank you so much, guys, for coming to the build meet. And until next time, keep building joy.
Yay!
It's like, where's all the voices?
The voices running away. I'm loving it.
Yeah, thank you.
Best vlog ever. Keep it like that. Don't edit.